My name is Abhisha. I study in class KG2. Right? Do you know what is mean by hygiene? Hygiene is to keep ourselves neat and clean from outside and from inside also. Let's meet some hygienic tools. I am toothbrush. I keep your teeth and gums handy. Use me twice a day. I am toothpaste. I protect your teeth from cavities. I am soap. I to wash and fresh. You can clean all the junk. I am nail cutter. You can cut nails with me. You can keep your hands and nails clean. I am a shampoo. I have different senses. You can use me washing your hair. I pack you from lace and laces. I am cold. Use me daily. I will try your styling.
Okay, after this presentation, Miss Jose will sing a poem. Okay, you all have to sing with this story.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning, so early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning, so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning, so early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning, so early in the morning.
Should I ask question? Are you ready? Okay, now tell me, which object is this? Or which tool is this? So why do you use soap? Yes, wash your face or you can use your body also. Okay, now tell me, which tool is this? What is the name of this tool? Why do you use soap? Yes, okay. I would like to call Ma'am Doctor. Please come forward and say a few words.
It's okay, मेरी आवाज काफी जोर से है. Once again, really,
Thank you very much, teachers, and you are such great people. You talk so nicely, Mr. Shampoo or Miss Shampoo, Mr. Comb, toothpaste, toothbrush. Okay, did I use everything in the morning? Yeah, I brushed my teeth. Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Toothbrush, come here. Come here. Toothbrush, come here. Come. I brushed my teeth today with a toothbrush, but there was something I needed to use. क्या चीज लगानी होती है? क्या चीज लगानी? Toothpaste. Where is Mr. Toothpaste? Oh, Miss मैंने ये भी लगाया. फिर मैंने मुंह धोया. I washed my face. Where is Mr. Soap? Is it Mr. Soap or Miss? Where is soap? Oh, I used you in the morning. I used soap on my face. Then what did I do? Oh, I better be. I did not shampoo my hair today. I shampoo every 2 days. But here's the shampoo. You're very good too. And then, my nails are not really clipped. But I do once in 2 weeks. I clip my nails, but I cut it. Where? Oh, come, nail cutter. And then what did Miss Rafia do? Where's the comb? I comb. Very nice, I combed my hair. So Miss Rafia almost did everything. सब चीज की. आप लोगों ने की थी सब चीज इसमें से? कोई चीज छूट गई थी? नहीं, सब चीज की है? Yes. Thank you very much. You were really great. And this is very important. Hygiene is next demand. Right? हमारा जो किताब है ना कुरान शरीफ, उसमें लिखा है अल्लाह ने क्या बोला है कि जो सफाई है which is hygiene, आधा मुसलमान आप अच्छे बन जाते हो, अच्छे इंसान बन जाते हो. तो हम अब 50% तो मिल गया हमको, ठीक है. एंड अब आपको ये भी सफाई रखनी है और बाहर की भी सफाई. अपने स्कूल को भी साफ रखना है. राइट? यू हैव टू कीप योर स्कूल क्लीन. यस, दिस इज माय फेवरेट टॉपिक टीचर्स. दिस इज वेरी क्लोज. हाइजीन, सफाई is very, very close to me, very close to my heart. So thank you very much for that.